I woke up in the morning to go to work and I collapsed on the floor. I could not stand up. I've been in a position this last couple of years where, as crazy as it sounds, I didn't always want to wake up the next day. Before I had my accident, I was doing go-kart racing. I used to ride motorbikes all the time. I wouldn't say I was outgoing, but I was very active, yeah. The day of the accident, I lifted a very heavy flywheel out of a truck onto a trolley. I twisted and I felt a twinge in my back. I thought it was just a one-off thing. And probably 2 weeks later, it just got worse. I was in a lot of pain. My life after that went downhill very quickly. After I had my accident, I couldn't work for 2 years. I could not walk for a long time. I had to teach myself to walk again. That was the hardest thing. My wife at the time bought me a little dog to keep me company. When I was trying to walk again, she walked with me every day. Yeah, she was my best friend. I was paying for my house alone. I was paying for a car. I couldn't afford anything anymore. I didn't know at the time legally what I could do. I sold my house and everything fell apart. Law partners. It was on the internet. I remember seeing something about, personal injury lawyers. So I rang a guy who was in law partners and they just suggested to me, come on now, we can have a chat, which I did. He had a long discussion with me and I told him, I said, look, it's been a long time since I've had this injury. I don't think anything's going to come of it. And he just told me, he said, look, let's just give it a try. The fact that they were able to get a result for me after that amount of time, to me is pretty amazing. If anyone else was in the same position as me and wanted to have some legal advice or legal representation, I would have no hesitation in recommending law partners because they've been really, really good to me. My life at the moment, I hope to go live in Asia again because it was a cheaper, better life for me. Law partners helped me get something that I didn't have before. Before I had nothing, now I got something.